Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cam. I just got off work early. It is, what time is it? It is 8:36 and I got out early, so about to get back on this grind, you know what I'm saying? Nice little startup. Oh man, that's... How y'all doing today? What's the vibes? Y'all having a good day? Y'all having a bad day? Let me know. Comment section below. You know, I didn't even know that guy was here today. But anyway, yo, yep. I was being consistent. This is day 2 with the vlog. And you know, I just want to continue doing what I'm doing, being consistent. I hope it pays off at the end of the day. I know it's probably gonna take maybe like a month of progress dishing out these videos, since it is a new channel, me starting, so I gotta be patient and watch it grow. I'm gonna watch the process. Y'all gonna see the process, man. Shoot, y'all gonna see it. So hope y'all see it. Give me some motivation, man. Keep this thing going. And yeah, man, we're gonna keep grinding. Let me know in the comment section which I drive. I am driving my 2019 daily Challenger SXT. Yeah, I know. I can't wait to get in that scap, or I'm gonna keep saying it, but that's what we pushing for. But yo, this thing, it's not bad on gas at all. Like, probably taking about 50 to fill up. Maybe even less, to tell you the truth. This thing is like decent on gas. It's not no gas killer, so I may keep this thing besides trading it in if I ever do like get into that excuse me, get a little burp. But no, man, yeah, let me know what y'all want to see in these videos, man. We're just talking, vibing, chilling. I want to find like a nice location to show off this car. Man, it's like early AF and it's cold AF outside. I'm in Arizona, so but I don't know how I feel outside right now. It's 45 outside, and man, I'm not used to that. I'm so used to the heat. It's only in January. Yeah, man, hopefully it start like the temperature start rising, not too much. Oh man, what's going on, brother? Oh man, they broke down. Yo, what POV camera should I get? Like GoPro or the 360, the outside joint? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know what camera should I get. Right now I'm holding this big old Sony. Well, it's not that big, but it is a lot of doing. I'd rather just have a little GoPro or around my head or around my body, on my body. So like, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm trying to switch it up, give y'all that nice quality content. But yeah, man, we're gonna let's keep this thing going. This traffic is busy and it's a Saturday. Why? What is going on? What is going on here? Got 2 semi trucks right here, and plus I got this Honda that's low-key in my way. I want to get past these guys. No cap. Dang. Well, I'll get back to Honda. I don't know what he's doing. And then the truck. I couldn't get past that second one because he was already damn near on the ramp. I'll transfer over. We're gonna get around him anyway. No, but this car, like, yo, it's decent at its speed. It's not too fast. It ain't too slow, but it does what it does. And like I said, I didn't do nothing to this car. I bought it how it was. So, yeah, man, it looks good on the outside. It likes try a little bit of attention, like I said, but I just want to get in something a little nicer, something a little faster. Well, I wouldn't say nicer, but you know, something a little faster. All the insides of the Dodges look the same, like besides the new EV. Other than that, nothing changed at all on these cars. They all look the same inside, unless you know you got some red seats or you know, the sunroof and stuff like that. But other than that, like the dash and all this, all the same, bro. They don't change nothing to these cars. They're just like iPhones, bro. Like they drop every year and they don't change nothing at all. I mean, they change one thing and that's it. One little thing. Man. I'm glad, like, so I don't spend that much on gas on this car because my work is like literally like 12 minutes away, so I don't spend that much at all. And I wouldn't mind, like, you know, swapping out cars or getting that scat, because it's not, I'm not gonna be killing gas like that. I don't drive around like that. Like, I don't be out and about going out to clubs or anything like that. I stay in my area. I go to work, spend time with my kids and my wife, and that's it, you know. I don't do none of that extra ish, like being always outside. I'm inside. I'm a homebody, so that's what I'm gonna do. Got that white on white, and I got that black on black. Nice little Acura. But yeah, man, that's about it. Like I said, yo, turn on bell notifications, hit that subscribe button if you're new. I'm trying to keep dishing out this content. We're grinding. I want to try to hit 500 subscribers within like 2 months. I know I can do it, man. Y'all gotta motivate me, man. Y'all gotta push me in the comments section. Like, I need that motivation. I mean, I get motivation from my kids and my wife, but you know, I need y'all to support the channel as well, and I appreciate it. Y'all won't regret it. Your boy about to grow. We doing different things. 2025. That's the goal. Get to a nice area, man, so I can show off this car, so nobody don't bother me. I have like a lot of cops in my area, but you know, they don't mess with me. They chill. But yeah, now I'm gonna show y'all this car. The outside of the body. It was in the garage. I couldn't see it last time, so. All right, man. This is it. This is my daily. My 2019 Dodge Challenger SXT. Black on black. I didn't do no modifications to this car. I bought it how it was, and yeah, bro, that's really what caught my attention. Only thing that's missing on this car is the speed, bro. Like, yeah, it's like if I could like put a Hellcat engine or a Scat engine in this, bro, I'd be cool with it. But I mean, I'm hearing like I see a lot of reviews and stuff like that. They like, you might as well just get V8. Cause something about the body, it won't fit. Like, bro, I'm like, how? Like, everything's the same size to me. Like, I don't get it, bro. So, not like that. That's it. That's it. Like, I don't get how this car, I can't put a Scat engine in this or a Hellcat engine in this. Like, why can I put another engine in the same body car style? Like, bro, they all look the same size. Well, Challenger wise, they all look, bodies look the same, like besides the wide body. Let me know in the comment section below. That would have been my option, like, you know, pay this car off and upgrade every parts, all the brakes and engine and stuff. That'd been like that'd probably be another like car payment. I ain't gonna hold you. All that, brakes, electric, and motor. Damn, yeah, that's the Hellcat. I know motor alone probably what, 17,000-20,000. Boy. So man, and then plus labor on top of that, man. Yeah, probably. I think the cheapest route is probably getting a brand new car, like not a brand new car, but you know, into a scat. Cause boy, Hellcat, these cars are expensive. Like man, labor. If I could do it myself, bro, and have the time and the knowledge, I ain't gonna hold you. I'm not like no mechanic like that, but I know I'll YouTube everything and do it myself. But that like swapping engines out myself, boy, I don't know. I'm ready for that. But no, yeah, that's it. Really, I would take that route, but nah, I might as well just like upgrade to just get a V8 Scat or Hellcat. That's the goal, man. I'm just gonna stay with it. I want to keep this. I'm just gonna keep this for my daily to back and forth, like, and keep the Scat inside the garage, cause I know that thing gonna be killing me on gas. But even though my job is not that far, but boy, it just like it just, you know, I'm heavy footed, I know, and nothing's gas ain't cheap. Gas is not going down at all. So yo, let me know in the comment section below, what should I do? Get that Yat? My salesman too like hit me up last night, like that same car I was looking at, and saying hey, we can drop that price a little bit more. I talked to my sales manager, like, all right, well, let's see what the numbers talking about, and I'll be cool with that. We can do that. If the number's good, I'll get that Scat, boy. Like, I gotta make sure I'm like, I know I can financially wise, I know I can make them payments, man, high or low, but I don't want my payments to be too crazy, like no $1,000 a month, man. Not no $1,000 a month on no Scat. So like, I'll be cool in like the 700 range. I ain't gonna hold you. 700 for a Scat, I'll do that. Maybe even 800 low key. And at the same time, depends on what that insurance look like. I hope insurance don't kill me, bro. I don't have no tickets. The last ticket I got was when I drove to Kansas 7 years ago, maybe 8 years ago. And yeah, that was my last ticket I had. But I know other than that, no, I don't got no crazy tickets or nothing like that. I don't drive crazy, like I said. But man, I'm keeping that way if I get in that Scat too. low key. Well, let me know what should I do. I'm being patient already. Like, I'm not like rushing to get it. I know it's always gonna be there, but man, I gotta find that right one too. Like, I don't want those miles to be too crazy. If I can get a brand new one, then like, okay, 1,000 a month, damn. But it gotta be like at least used, but not too used, you know. Maybe 40,000 miles. Because man, them cars, people don't just drive those cars just to drive those cars. They are stomping on the gas with them cars, so I gotta make sure shit is right with them cars before I get it. But nah, definitely let me know. What should I do? I just pulled up to the crib. It's crazy. And Let's pull up to the cruisy. Back this thing up. I keep my thing in the garage. If I keep this in the garage, you know I'm gonna keep that Sky in the garage too. I'm not having my car outside. I'm sorry, bro. I don't know how y'all guys do it, man. Y'all get these Hellcats and Skies and y'all leave them outside for people to steal them. Y'all, I hope y'all have like a high security on them cars, boy, man, because you got to. You got too many thieves out here, man. Hoodlums taking your shit. But yeah, man, I'm gonna end this video right here. Hope it's a little nice 10-minute video I give y'all. And yeah, man, we're gonna keep this content going. Appreciate y'all stopping by the video, clicking. Make sure you like, share, turn on the bell notifications, and I'll catch y'all next time. Yeet.